So continuing the conversation of transversals, let's do some real-world examples here. It says here, when more than one line can be considered a transversal, first identify the transversal for a given angle pair by locating the line that connects the vertices of the angles. So first, identify the transversal. That's important. So here we have a real-life picture, and there's several different roads, it looks like. It says, identify the transversal connecting each pair of angles in the photo, and then classify the relationship between each pair of angles. So if you look at angles 1, let me use the yellow. Angle 1 and 3. Angles 1 and 3. So we are going to particularly be looking at so we have this line L, and line J is touching this angle, and also this one right here. So those are my lines, okay? The ones that are dealing with those angles. So the blue one is a transversal, the green ones are the other lines. So we can see that 1 and 3 are on the outer part, so we know it's going to be an exterior of some sort. 1 and 3 are exterior, and they are crossing the blue line, the transversal, so that would be an alternate exterior angles, okay? And they wanted me to tell you what the transversal is, so the transversal connecting angles 1 and angle 3 is line H, right? The blue one. And they are alternate exterior. Okay, let's do B, 5 and 6. So let's erase this and let's look at and 5 and 6. So angles 5 and 6. Let's look at the transversals connecting those angles. So we've got this one to be the transversal, and these are also connecting those angles. So there we go. We can see that 5 and 6 are in the interior and on the same side of this transversal. So this would be same side interior or consecutive interior angles, okay? And the transversal connecting angles 5 and 6 is line K. Okay, let's do one more try. Another example. So 2 and 6, 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Let's identify the lines that we're dealing with. So this angle is, these two angles are using that line. They're both touching that line, and then the other two lines would be this one and this one. So those are the green ones are the other lines. The blue one is a transversal because they're both next to that transversal. And so we can see that one is in the interior between the green lines, one is on the outside, so exterior. So it can't be any of the same sides interior. It can't be alternate interior or alternate exterior. The only one that's left is corresponding angles. And what is the transversal? The transversal connecting these angles, angle 2 and angle 6, is line L. It looks like an E, but it's an L, cursive L. All right, hope that helps.